3 days and I have not started doing anything as far as prepping for this party. I've literally only ordered things, so it is time to get going. It's time. All right, this is the state of the extra room. Why is this the state of the extra room? Because my child came in here because he found the tractor that was here, and so I had to hide said tractor in the garage. And then he came in here messing with everything else, trying to figure out what was happening. So yeah, we have a mess. I need to get organized. I need to do a lot of things. But I did get this in. I did put it together. So there's that. I mean, I have done some things, just not enough. Not nearly enough. So let's head out to the garage. Okay, we are here with some more of the stuff. So this is the sand I bought to make a sand like pit. I need to clean off the cooler that it's on. Here is the excavator that we are trying to hide and not doing a very good job at, quite frankly. I need to assemble this rack back together and clean it off. This is what I'm gonna just do the sand in, because honestly it's low to the ground, it's easy, and they can sit and play or kneel and play because they're all little bitty. And then back there is more sandbags because I really didn't know how many to get. I need to grab these because these are going to the party with us. All right, here are the Rice Krispie treats. I gave up and decided to just buy Rice Krispies instead of trying to make them, because who do I think I am? Like, no. Over here, we have more things that I've bought for the party. And then I've started kind of making way on this table to put the chips together, the water bottles together, the Capri Suns together. I went to the store today and got some more double-sided tape because I didn't have much left. Also got glue, and we're gonna do hot glue, but the hot glue's not here and I need to get started. So yeah, I'm gonna get this together. Okay, so here's the deal. I had everything pretty much organized. I was putting it in specific boxes. I was good to go. And somehow my organized mess became very chaotic. So what I want to do is I want to kind of go back in, reorganize, separate out stuff that is strictly for decorations, or like by station how it's going to be. I also want to like lay it out how it's going to look and take a picture, or at least have a sketch, because I have so many different people helping me and I want to optimize the 2 hours that we have to set up and not be like standing over someone's shoulder like, no, this is exactly how I want it. So if I have a picture, I can just send that to them, and I feel like that's just more efficient than sitting there micromanaging every little thing. His Uncle Julio is coming to do like most of like the balloon decor, the table decor. I know how I want the tables as far as like the black cloth with the construction strips on it, and then he's gonna just make it whatever. So I want to separate out everything, like just, I gotta get organized. So this box is actually everything for like tables, food, decoration. This is for the cupcake tower. Like, I want to go ahead and put it together, but I just don't want it to get smashed. I mean, it seriously, it can't be that hard to put together. It's just pieces that stack on each other. And then these are the picks for the cupcakes. So I just really don't think it can be that hard. I think y'all are leaning. There we go. I had y'all like leaned up against something. I don't know. All right. I legit went to the store today because I was like, I still need candles. Like, I had this whole thing together for candles and like this idea. I don't have any candles. Where are my candles? So I went to the store to buy candles. I already had cone candles. Like, clearly I'm losing my mind. So my idea is to use the cone candles, 3 of them, to light them. And then I got this cute little construction 3 to put on top of the cake. Like, These cups are for the pudding cups I'm making and the fruit cups, so I can't take these out. Few utensils, more tape for like the decor, but this is for the food and tables. Little shovel spoons for the pudding. So I'm adding in more of the tablecloth, as well as gloves. So I'm going to put this aside because honestly all that is ready to go. I need to put the lighter over there. I have some tape that I'm also going to put over there. I don't think I'm going to need it in that box, so I'm just going to put it in that box. Better safe than sorry. And then I'm going to have us a little go bag with our clothes. This is the cord for the Bluetooth speaker. This goes to the rack. So this box is available for use. The empty boxes, I'm actually going to wrap them with this brown, like, I don't even know what you call it. Oh, craft paper. And like color on them with this marker and make them look like props all around. So I don't want to waste the boxes, so I'm going to use them. So I have quite a few boxes. Alright, so this box needs to go to the kitchen. These are going to be for the goodie bags, the snacks. It has the goodie bags in here, so I need to take all of this to the kitchen. And then the rest of the stuff in here should be like decor stuff. So there should be nothing else left in here but stuff that we're using for decorating. I'm going to put it in the big box and also kind of like put it in place like where it's going to go, because I want to just kind of see the layout. I also have my balloon pump, but I don't want to pack it because I actually want to like maybe do a few balloons here before I get there and just like put them in a trash bag and then have them ready to go by the time I get there, because I don't really want to spend time blowing up balloons, because when we get there we have 2 hours. That is it. So I think I'm gonna start with goodie bags, get that out the way, get my mind together. I am like stressed, but stressed because I have schoolwork to do and this party, and I'm stressed that my help won't come through. Okay, so really quick, I sealed the bag, but I forgot I didn't show y'all what I put in them. Okay, so every bag has a car, like a little truck, a stamp, fruit snacks, and these look like blocks, tattoos, coloring book, coloring marker with 8 colors, and bubbles. And all of these came in the kit except for the bubbles and of course the fruit snack. These stickers originally came with it, and I have stickers that I cut and put in there instead, because I'm going to use these on like the arts and crafts table and let them decorate their hats with it. So I gave them like little bitty stickers instead. And then the sticker that I decided to close it with just says, "Thanks for making my party loads of fun. Love, Cole." These are not the original stickers. These are the original stickers, and while they match better, I wanted something to say thank you. So I'm going to use these somewhere else. But yeah, so that's what's in all of the goodie bags. And they're also going to have chips and drinks, but they're going to be decorated and out on the tables for them. And then pudding cups and Rice Krispie treats. Hey y'all, so it is Thursday. I'm still working on the colors on this DJI. Like, I don't know. And I'm looking at it on the little screen, so I'm trying to figure it out. So if the colors are blurred, I'll have to fix it later. Anyway, so I'm home from work in my chaos. And I honestly don't know where I left off yesterday, but let me just show you where we're at in life. First off, I feel like my house is full of chaos. Let's just start there. But here we go. Here's what we have this out the way. So I hung all of the little vests. I am just going to take them all, honestly. And then kids can just take them home because I don't want them. My thing is leaning because the wheel got left in my mom's storage. And so she'll be bringing that back today. This is going to be when the kids walk in. I'm going to have a small table for their hats and then stickers as well for their hats so that they can decorate their hats. So that's like one activity when they come in. And then I want to put like some balloons. I saw a Pinterest inspo that I'll show you. I want to put some balloons on it as well, just to kind of zhuzh it up. So what's happening here, these are actually 2 boxes that I brought in that I'm going to use to pack stuff because, I had a baby shower gift, well, 2 baby shower gifts come in for our nurse at school tomorrow, and they came in these boxes. So I'm just going to keep the boxes because, as you can see, our goodie bags down here are not going to fit in this little box, and I don't have a size up. So I'm trying to organize everything and pack it ready to go in the car. So we have our little wagon to pull stuff in, the speaker, sodas. There's sodas under this speaker as well. All the goodies are packed and ready to go. These are going to be the stickers to actually go on the table for decorations and stuff for the hat. So this needs to actually be with this. I'm trying to keep everything together so that if somebody is helping me, it's easy for them to access stuff. All right, so here's the hats. And actually, I can put these stickers with the hats. I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing with the cones yet because I got these 4 bigger cones. I know they're going to be for decoration. I'm just not sure where and for what. I'm thinking at the front when they come in, like at the doors. And then we have the blocks. And I had this fun idea of like bowling without the hard bowling balls because I don't trust even my toddler not to throw it at someone. So I got these at the Dollar Tree, and they can roll and hit the blocks over if they want, kind of like a wrecking station. And so that's what those 2 are for. And then I also have his balls to his little goal that I'm going to put in the jumper for them to have balls. And then these I'm just going to put in the sandbox along with some trucks. So I need to go outside right now and rinse off the sandbox. So that's my next task. So I actually need to drop these off. My friend will be here tomorrow so she can get hers. But the other 2 I'll have to drop off. And then the third one is for me because I bought a shirt already made off of Temu. I just wanted to kind of see what it would look like because I've never ordered off Temu and I wanted my balloons. And I had to order a certain amount. So that's like the theme I was going for. And these look pretty much just like this, except for they're outlined in white, which is fine. And so that's my mom's shirt because it's going to probably fit her better. And so I have to make me a shirt. So this is like our go bag with the stuff extra we need. Few decorations in there. So everything else that's left in here is basically decor items. To go and figure out this little sand thingy situation. Okay. I ran out real quick to drop off the prints for the shirts. So I actually have a training tonight for foster care, a behavior training so that I can stay in compliance. Even though we're not an active home, I stay in compliance. So the moment we do want to become active, or if they call us for a child, because even though I'm inactive, it just means I'm not actively saying yes. It doesn't mean my home isn't open. And so some people, when they're inactive, they like let their trainings and stuff lapse. And so whenever they're ready to become active, they have to go through all of the like trainings that they've missed out on, you know, updating things in their home. I just stay ready. Thankfully, we don't have to be on camera. I ran out really quickly and I was listening to it in the car. I had us listening to a podcast. And so I made me some egg rolls, so I can sit down and listen and watch, but I'm also going to try to do some homework because I really don't want to be stressed about homework. And it's quiet because Cole dipped out to Mr. Gaddy's. Like, I was like, okay then. Yeah, my mom, they went to Mr. Gaddy's instead of coming home. So I'm going to do some work and listen to this, and then I'm going to get back to decorating. I probably won't show y'all anymore tonight because I'm probably just going to wrap the extra boxes that I have and do like the water bottles and like the goodies, putting the little labels on them. I'll probably show y'all a little bit, but not like a whole lot. And then tomorrow we're gonna go full speed ahead. Alright, so your girl just got home. I look a little crazy. It's okay. I'm about to pack the car with the stuff that we can like go ahead and just put away that we're done with. And then I'm going to start on the treats. I had to go to the store first. So that held me up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and like start moving stuff, start getting stuff out the way so that I can like do the other little things I wanna do. And hopefully have everything packed in the car ready to go. So tomorrow I'll just have to pack the food and then like go get the cupcakes, the cake, stuff like that. But everything else should be in place. The hard part is probably gonna be this truck though.
Okay, turn it off. It's fine.
Okay. So it's been a couple of hours. We successfully made the fruit cups. We got all of the stuff in the car that needed to be in the car so far. Then we got the Rice Krispies in like the sticks in them. And then I went to do the candy melts with the food coloring. And I think I got the wrong food coloring because it started making like a chunky mix. And I'm not really sure what happened. Like, it wasn't good. So my mom just left to go get some more food coloring so we could try again. I didn't try a lot of the candy melts just because I was afraid I was gonna mess it up. And I did. But something I do not think I can mess up is pudding. So I'm about to make this pudding. Now, I say I can't mess up pudding, but I mean, I clearly messed up the food coloring, so. Light is look weird. Said that light looks weird. It is 12:30. Your girl has been working. I'm tired. My kitchen house is a mess. We'll get that together in a minute. So we have our pudding cups. We have our fruit cups. And then up here we have our completed DIY paintbrushes. And I think they turned out pretty good. This one's like not the best one. There's a couple that were like trial runs. But I think they turned out pretty good for it being my first time trying it. So yeah, those are done. So in the morning, we'll have to put the cookie crumbles, and it won't be in the morning. It'll probably be like right when we're about to set them out. I just didn't want the crumbles to get soggy. So yeah. So that's that. Your girl's got to wind it down. The only thing I did not do was wrap up the last little few boxes, which is not many of them, probably like 3 or 4, and make them look like bricks, which is not going to be hard. Get some rest first though, because I'm on fumes at this point.